Hello friends, myself Advocate Sayyad Mehfooz, practicing advocate at Shahada District and Sessions Court in Nandurbar district, as well as I'm practicing advocate at Bombay High Court Aurangabad bench. Friends, आपण JMFC प्रिलिम या एक्झामिनेशनचे फॉर्म फिलअप केले आहे. या एक्झामिनेशनचे सिलेबस जर आपण पाहिले तर क्रिमिनल प्रोसिजर कोड 1973 फौजदारी प्रक्रिया संहिता 1973 हा प्रोसिजरल लॉ प्रक्रिया संहिता हे आपल्याला खूप महत्वाचा विषय आणि या महत्वाचा विषय आपल्याला शिकायचे आहे फॉर द एक्झाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्ह्यू. या कोडमध्ये क्रिमिनल प्रोसिजर कोडमध्ये एकूण 484 सेक्शन्स आहेत अँड in the procedural law there is 484 sections which divided in various chapters. Some chapters deal with the details and information regarding the present procedural law, regarding the present procedural code. Some chapters deals with the definition. Some chapters deals with the preventive actions by the police authority. Some chapters deals with the power given to the district magistrate, power given to the sub-divisional magistrate, some power given to the executive magistrate, what is meant by the special executive magistrate. There is one chapters would deal regarding the arrest of the accused, how the FIR should be registered, what is the procedure to register the FIR. So this procedural law will not helpful to the police authority but also court. By the help of this procedural law, the functioning by the police investigation authority and functioning by the court in day-to-day life is easy. FIR registered झाल्यापासून तर जजमेंट पर्यंत आणि जजमेंट झाल्यानंतर फ्रॉम फायलिंग ऑफ द अपील टू द डिस्पोजल ऑफ द अपील हे संपूर्ण प्रोसेस हे सीआरपीसी मध्ये नमूद आहे. FIR was registered. After registration of the FIR, what is the duty of the police authority? After submitting of the report, after submission of the charge sheet, what is the procedure? From issuance of the summons, from issuance of the warrant till the judgment, whole procedure has been explained in the CRPC 1970. चार्ज म्हणजे काय, डिस्चार्ज म्हणजे काय, and what is the procedure for alteration of the charge. Warrant trial, summons trial, the trial by the magistrate court, trial by the sessions court, हे संपूर्ण प्रोसेस हे प्रोसिजर जे आहे ते आपल्याला सीआरपीसी मध्ये बघायचं. या सीआरपीसी मध्ये आपल्याला फुल्ली प्रोसिजर बघून वेगवेगळे ऑथॉरिटीज वेगवेगळे डिपार्टमेंटची प्रोसिजर बघायचं आणि या प्रोसिजर मध्ये आपल्याला बघायचं आहे की व्हॉट इज द पॉवर गिवन टू द कन्सर्न कोर्ट, whether it may be the magistrate court, procedure regarding the magistrate court, procedure regarding the sessions court, procedure regarding the high court, what are the inherent powers given to the high court. हे आपल्याला संपूर्ण सीआरपीसी मध्ये बघायचं आहे. We will study and we will see some important relevant sections with regarding the point of view of the examination from the next lecture. So all the best to all the aspirants who are appearing for the examination in JMFC Prelim 2023 and all the best to all of you. Thank you. We will continue from next lecture. Thank you. All the best.